Buenos días. Ahora han corregido la tarea de ayer, y voy a explicar lo que tienen que hacer hoy. So now you've corrected yesterday's work. I'm going to show you what you need to do for today. Well, the name. We only need one name. Alrighty, so first of all, do not forget, chicos, there's no apostrophe S in Spanish. It does not exist. The only time they use an apostrophe is if they're abbreviating some kind of slang. Like when you text, you might do Q apostrophe and then continue on. That could be an abbreviation for K. Or sometimes I see it a lot in song lyrics where the singer is, singing quickly, and so they sort of swallow the last of the word, and so there might be an apostrophe there. Sometimes instead of saying para, when native speakers get speaking quickly, they'll say pa apostrophe pa que vamos ir, so that we can go, pa que. But the word is really para que. So if you were to write that, you would do it with the apostrophe. But there is no apostrophe for possession. They do not use it that way ever. So if you're trying to say something belongs to someone and you have an apostrophe S, know that you are really wrong. It's not just a little bit wrong. They won't know what you're doing. They don't use it. Okay, so let's talk about what you're going to do here. I want you to continue practicing possession with day here. So for each of these, you're going to have a thing that the person has and then a person. And so you're going to say it is. So if you're going to do that, you would say it is es the shirt, la camisa. It's Ricardo's camisa. So I have to say it's the shirt of Ricardo. But that's not how we'd really say it. We would say it is, or it's, you could say it's or it is, but why don't we do two words so we're not causing any confusion? It is Ricardo's shirt. What if I have more than one thing? Well, if I have more than one thing, then I can't say I can't use es, I have to use the plural form. So since we're talking about pantalones, I have to say they are Juan's pantalones. Los pantalones de Juan. They are Juan's pants. I'd like you to do both the English and the Spanish so that you know what you're talking about here. So the first one, what are you going to say? Los marcadores. So you're going to say they are Magdalena's markers. So there's more than one. So use your example. The second one is the plural. Son los marcadores de Magdalena. They are Magdalena's markers. And that's how you will answer that question. So you'll continue on for the other 9. If you watch the video, you get a free answer there. Okay, so you're going to do, these are all the same. So this one is if it's singular, and then the second example is plural. I'll mark it that way. Singular and plural. Give this a little bigger, just a little bigger. I don't think I can make it fit. Too many words. I can't do this. A ver qué pasa si no hago así. Whoa, 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 mama. Get back over there. Doesn't want to go, does it? Okay, I guess I'm just gonna leave it like that, looking kind of weird. Oh, but we fixed it up. They are Juan's pants. Okay, so that's what you're doing for those 10. And then at the bottom it says, hey, don't forget to go on to the next page. Parte B, here it is. So this is the asking questions part. So how do I say, whose is this? I say, de quién es? And if I'm talking about whose are these, if it's more than one thing, then the es will become de quién son These things. So, ¿de quién es el perro? Whose dog is this? ¿De quién son estas galletas? Whose cookies are these? More than one thing, son. ¿De quién son? So here's some examples. ¿De quién es el cuaderno rojo? So this is what your practice sentences are going to look like. Whose red notebook is this? And you're going to say it's Natalia. El cuaderno rojo es de Natalia. The red notebook is Natalia's. If it's plural, ¿de quién son are these markers? You need to change ser to the plural form, son. They're my dad's markers. Los marcadores son de my dad, mi papá. So you will just continue all along here. ¿De quién es la almohada rosada? We're going to say it's Julia's. So I'll say la almohada rosada es de Julia. Next one. ¿De quién es la cómoda grande? Whose big dresser is that? Es la cómoda. You could just say es la cómoda. I don't think you'd repeat big there. Es la cómoda de Tomás. That's it. That's what you're doing. Okay? Those shouldn't be too tough for you. I hope you have a good day, everybody. Adios.